If I'm to sell this fish, looking at the size now, I should not sell nothing less than 1,500 naira. But so many factors have affected the prices of fishes. The prices not being fixed, and different cost of productions. I might use 100 naira to feed my fishes to 1 kg, and you might use 15 naira to feed your own fish to 1 kg. Our sales price cannot be the same. And until the price of fishes get fixed, farmers will still be having problem of selling fishes to make profits. So this is my advice to farmers. I do tell farmers, make sure before you sell your fishes, you've made your own calculations that when you sell, you will still make reasonable profits. I've seen farmers that have sold fishes for 1,004, 1,005 and still make loss. And I've seen farmers that sold their fishes per kg 1,000, 1,001 and they still made profits. So just make sure you make your own calculations. You take record keeping very, very serious. That's one of the things that affected so many farmers.